Good morning, students. After the dictation, you are ready for reading the poem I Wish I Were, the poem I gave on Saturday to read. So now read the poem. Read this poem where a child thinks what he wants to be when he grows up. This is a child and he wants to become some people. So now he has written in this poem what his wish are, what he want to become when he grows up. So when the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, lane means the road. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning, gong means the clock. The clock, that is a big clock is there, na? You have seen in some church, and when hour is complete, a big sound of gong is there. So that big huge clock is there, which is alarming, which sounds after every hour. Now the time is 10 and it's time to go. So I walk to school. To go to school, my school time is 10 a.m. I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. See in this picture, the man is carrying a bag full of bangles. So this man is hawker. The sellers who come in the colonies on the roads and sell the things, they are hawkers. So every day when I go to school at 10 a.m. In my lane, through my lane, I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. So he's saying bangles, bangles means चूड़ियाँ, कांच की चूड़ियाँ वो बेचता है. There is nothing to hurry him. Hurry means to go soon, too fast. उसके पास कुछ नहीं है कि वो जल्दी करे. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. So he is free to go through any road. He can go to any place. There is no time to go back home. So he is having a free life. No. He sells the bangles and he moves from one road to another without watching the clock that I have to go at this time in this road. So he is moving from one road to another, and any place he goes, and he comes by any time, comes back home. So he is a free man. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. So looking at him, I also wish to become a hawker. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. तो मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं उसकी तरह ही अपना दिन रोड पे बिताता और बैंगल्स क्रिस्टल बैंगल्स बोलते बोलते मेरा दिन बीतता. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener. Now my returning time is 4. I come back from the school. I can see through the gate of that house. I can see a gardener digging the ground. So when I return at 4 p.m., there is one house. Through that gate, I see a gardener every day digging the ground. Gardener means माली, जो मिट्टी में गड्ढे कर रहा है, पौधे लगा रहा है. He does what he likes with his spade. He does what he likes with his spade. अब वो जो चाहे करता है ना, उसके पास फावड़ा है. स्पेड मीन्स जिससे वो कुदाल, जिससे वो मिट्टी डिग करता है. He soils his clothes and his clothes also become dirty. Soils मतलब मिट्टी लगा लेता है. With dust, nobody takes him to task and nobody is there to scold him. Why your clothes are dirty? Why your clothes are dirty? What are you doing here? If he gets baked in the sun, baked in the sun means he's in the hot sun for so many hours in the afternoon. जल रहा है वो धूप में, मिट्टी स्पीड से मिट्टी निकाल रहा है और धूप में है, और gets wet, and in rainy season he gets wet, but nobody is there, nobody takes him to task. उससे कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है कि तुम धूप में हो, जल जाओगे, या मिट्टी तुम्हारे कपड़ों में लग जाएगी, या तुम गीले हो रहे हो. I wish I were a gardener. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody. तो मैं भी ये होता गार्डनर, और मैं गार्डन में ये बगीचे में डिगिंग करता, with nobody to stop me from digging, और कोई मुझे रोकता नहीं from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening. Now it's evening time. Now in evening, I am seeing through my window. My mother sends me to bed. Evening time, mothers say children to eat in time and go to bed timely, because next morning you have to get up early in the morning to go to school. So every evening, every night, I have to go to bed soon. But in evening time, it's getting dark. Just as it gets dark in the evening, and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. So evening time, I can see a watchman who is going with a lantern. उसके हाथ में लालटेन है. up and down. He is going through the lanes. The lane is dark and lonely. Lane is dark and lonely. अंधेरा है और सुनसान है रास्ता. And the street lamp stands like a giant. And only street lamp is lightened. All the houses' lights are off because it is night and all people are sleeping. The street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The red colored bulb of street lamp looks like a red eye, one red eye in the head. And the street lamp is like a giant. एक बड़ा विशाल दानव की तरह लगता है स्ट्रीट लैम्प, और उसकी वो रेड कलर की लाइट, उसकी बड़ी आँख लगती है उसके सर पे. So street lamp is there. The lanes are dark and lonely. Only watchman is walking through the lane. और कौन बस उस रास्ते पे चल रहा है? एक वॉचमैन. ठीक है. And the street lamp looks like a giant with one red eye in its head. और वो बड़ा सा स्ट्रीट लैम्प लग रहा है कोई दानव है, उसकी बड़ी रेड कलर की आँख है उसके सर पे. The watchman swings his lantern. और वो वॉचमैन अपना लैंटर्न को हिला रहा है. लैंटर्न यानी लालटेन. देखो लालटेन है उसके हाथ में. स्विंग्स यानी कि ऐसे हिला रहा है, हिलाते हुए चल रहा है. And walks with his shadow at his side. And he is walking so with the light of lantern there is his shadow. और बगल में उसकी क्या है? उसकी परछाई है, क्योंकि अंधेरा है, सिर्फ वो है और उसके हाथ में लैंटर्न है, तो वो लैंटर्न से उसी की परछाई शैडो. his shadow is in his side and never once goes to bed in his life, and he never sleeps at night. He never once goes to bed in his life. He never goes to bed in his life. तो रात में हर दिन मुझे दिखता है. Every night I see the watchman. He never goes to bed in his life. He swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night. तो मैं विश करता हूँ काश मैं वॉचमैन होता, वॉकिंग द स्ट्रीट्स ऑल नाइट, चेजिंग द शैडोज विथ माई लैंटर्न, और मैं चेज करता, पीछा करता शैडोज, शैडोज मीन्स परछाइयों का, विथ माई लैंटर्न, मेरे हाथ में लैंटर्न होता और मैं रात में स्ट्रीट्स में चलता और फिर परछाइयों का पीछा करता। कोई ऐसे दिखता मुझे कि कोई कहीं से चोर है, कोई अनजान में अंधेरे में किसी की परछाई दिखती तो मैं उसका पीछा करता। तो दिस बॉय वांट्स टू बिकम, फर्स्ट ही वांट्स टू बिकम, see here he wants to become a hawker because he thinks hawker is free to move from one place to another. He has no time to come back home. He is not in a hurry. So he wish that he were a hawker. I wish I were a hawker. And he also wanted to spend his day crying bangles, crystal bangles. Now, in the afternoon time, he saw the gardener. The gardener was digging the ground, and there was no one to take him to task why he is in the sun, why he is digging the ground, why he soils his clothes and he is getting wet. So he wants to become a gardener to dig the ground and nobody will stop him from digging. In the evening time, when he sees a watchman moving through the lanes, moving through the dark and lonely lanes, only a lantern in his hand and with his shadow side by side, he want to become a watchman so that he could go through the streets in the night time and with his move so that he could move with his lantern, walking through the streets all night. So this boy wants to become hawker and the gardener and finally the watchman, because he thinks all these three people are free, their life is free, they don't have to uh, do their work in time, they don't have to sleep early, get up early in the morning, they can go through any of the streets, they are free to come back home at any time. So the boy also want to live a free life, so he wishes that he could become a gardener, a hawker or a watchman. Hope you understood this, and now I will send you the new words and their meanings from this story. This poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. He is a famous writer, the Bengali writer. He is a famous scholar. So this is very nice poem. It is like a story written in the form of a story. So you have to read this story twice, get the idea, and write the new words and meanings, and frame the sentences also. Thank you.